Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the Verity JE mod in Minecraft in 2026. The whole process only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. Before installing the mod, you need to have Minecraft Forge installed, because Verity JE requires Forge to run. If you already have Forge, you can skip this step. Otherwise, simply open your browser, search for Minecraft Forge, download the version that matches your Minecraft version, install it, and you're good to go. Now let's download the Verity JE mod. Open your browser and search for Verity JE mod Minecraft. You'll usually find it on CurseForge or the official mod page. I personally recommend downloading it from CurseForge since it's one of the safest and most trusted places to get Minecraft mods. Before clicking the download button, scroll down and read the mod description. This is important because many Minecraft mods require additional libraries to work properly. At the time of making this video, Verity JE requires GeckoLib and yet another configlib, also known as YACL. Make sure you download both of these before installing the mod. Otherwise, Minecraft may fail to load the mod or even crash during startup. Also, if you're using Optifine, I recommend removing it before using Verity JE. During my testing, Optifine caused compatibility issues and crashed the game, so it's better to avoid using them together. Once you've checked the requirements, go to the Files or Download section and choose the version that matches your Minecraft version. For example, if you're playing Minecraft 1.21, make sure you download the Verity JE version made specifically for Minecraft 1.21. Using the wrong version is one of the most common reasons mods don't work. Click Download and wait for the files to finish downloading. Now let's install the mod. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. In the Run box, type %appdata%, then click OK. Open your Minecraft folder, then find the mods folder. If you don't already have a mods folder, simply create a new folder and name it mods. Open the mods folder, then drag and drop the Verity JE mod, GeckoLib, and yet another config lib into it. And that's it. The installation is complete. That's how you download and install the Verity JE mod in Minecraft in 2026. Just remember the 4 simple steps. Install Forge, download Verity JE, download the required dependency mods, and move everything into your mods folder. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.